Hello everybody, welcome back to this RostyMaths video. So now we're going to go into our welcome back to the series of our Year 7 Maths. And now we're going to go down our components over there in this massive composite of number. Our first lesson that we're going to do would be on factors. And as we go along, I'm going to highlight the things that we've done just so you can keep track of where we're going. These things are really important because as we get further down the series, we're going to find that a lot of the things that we've covered at the top here, we're definitely going to need them down the bottom there. Anyway, onwards and forwards. So let's talk about factors today. So we'll start by looking at something, a really simple concept. Like for example, I know that 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Now, because I know that 4 times 3 is equal to 12, 4 is a factor of 12, and so is 3. This is also a factor. So what is a factor then? Well, a factor is what goes into a number without leaving a remainder. So for example, 8 is not a factor. So I'm going to say not. Probably should try and write a little bit better for you guys. So not a factor of 12. And the reason why, even though 8 goes into 12, even though you can subtract an 8 from 12, you'll have a remainder left. So let's put this into practice. Let's see what I mean. So for this one, I'm going to put down 12 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just like that. Perfect. So I've got my 12 dots there. How do I know factors? Well, if I can make equal groups, then they can give me factors. Like for example, I can make groups of 3, and there's nothing left over. You've got 4 perfect groups. So 3 is a factor of 12. So for that, I'm going to put my 12 down here, do a little spider diagram, and I know that 3 is a factor of 12 because I can make groups of 3. But also, look, I've got 4 groups there. So that means that 4 is also a factor of 12. Look at that, who knew? Right, now let's get all of these groups off and then let's make new groups. So I'm going to make groups of 2 now. Let's see what's going to happen. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I've got perfect groups of 2s there. So because I've got perfect groups of 2s, then it means that 2 is a factor of 12. But because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups, then it means that 6 is also a factor of 12. All right, so that's perfect. So I've got some really good factors there. Okay, finally then, I can also do, I can also count in ones. Because I've got a whole bunch of ones, then there are 12 ones. And that means that both 1 and 12 are factors of 12. Hold that thought because you can see down there 12 is a factor of itself. When we come back around to multiples, we'll see that also there's something really unique happens there. So those are my factors of 12. And you might be thinking, have I got all my factors? Let me try something else. Maybe I can try 5s, who knows? So I'm going to go 5 there. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I can do another group of 5 here. And I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So even though 5 goes into 12 2 times, it's not a factor. And the reason why it's not a factor is because I've got 2 remaining bits just left out there. Okay, and I know for sure I've got all my factors and I'm done. So I can literally stop at this point. Now you can do this with any other numbers. And you could know your factors just by knowing your times tables. Now I showed you the long way here. Let's see on a different number, what can the short ways be? So for this one, let me just get some stuff off the screen here now. And right, let's get all that off the screen. Okay, cool. Let's pick a different number. Okay, let's go for 20. Let's go for 20. Okay, good, perfect. Now, straight away, because I know my times tables and I know everything that makes 20, I can easily find my factors because I know 1 times 20 is 20. They are factors of 20. They will go into 20 without leaving a remainder. And then I go down to the number 2. 2 times what makes 20? Oh, 2 times 10. So I know that 2 and 10 are also factors of 20. And then I go to 3, then I know 3 doesn't go into 20 because I know my times table. But I know 4 goes into 20, and 4 goes into 20 5 times. And then that's basically it. 6, 7, 8, 9, and I've already got 10. Those are my factors of 20. I'm pretty confident that I've gotten all of those without any issues at all. All right, so that's our lesson done on factors. Now, go and see if you can find anything anywhere where you can find factors of numbers. Have a play with it. If this video was okay, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, comments are always welcome down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Just keep it going. Motivate me to make time to make more content. Anyway, that's all for now. And have a good one. We'll see you on the next video.